Hey there, kids. Today, we're going to talk about a fruit that's small, golden, and super tasty, the apricot. Have you ever tried an apricot? They're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that keep your body healthy and strong. Let's find out why apricots make such a great snack. First of all, apricots are loaded with vitamin A, which is really important for your eyes. Vitamin A helps you see clearly and protects your vision in low light. By eating apricots, you're giving your eyes the nutrients they need to stay sharp and healthy. Just a few apricots can give you a big boost of this eye-protecting vitamin. Apricots are also a great source of vitamin C, which keeps your immune system strong. This vitamin helps your body fight off colds and infections, keeping you healthy and full of energy. When you enjoy apricots, you're helping your body stay protected from germs and stay feeling great. Another fantastic thing about apricots is their antioxidants, like beta-carotene. Antioxidants are like little protectors inside your body, helping to fight off harmful substances and keeping your cells safe from damage. These antioxidants help keep your skin glowing and protected from pollution and sun exposure. Apricots are also rich in fiber, which is excellent for your digestive system. Fiber helps everything in your tummy move smoothly, so you feel comfortable after eating. If you ever have a stomachache or feel too full, eating apricots can help keep your tummy happy and healthy. And here's something extra cool: apricots are full of potassium, which supports a strong and healthy heart. Potassium helps keep your heartbeat steady and keeps your blood pressure in check. This means apricots are not only a tasty treat but also great for keeping your heart strong. So, kids, the next time you snack on apricots, remember all the awesome things they're doing for your body. Apricots aren't just sweet and tasty, they're a super snack that keeps your eyes, skin, heart, and tummy healthy. Enjoy your apricots, and stay strong. See you next time.